Unlock the secret to effortless weight loss. It's not your fault. Welcome to our journey. Today, we're diving into the world of effortless weight loss. Remember, it's not your fault. Countless people are paralyzed by the same struggle, the battle of the bulge. But what if it's not about dieting or hitting the gym? Let's discover the secrets of our bodies. The hidden factors like metabolism, hormones, and sleep. These, not your willpower, could be your roadblocks. Imagine waking up full of energy, your body naturally shedding excess weight. It's not a dream. It's understanding your body and working with it. Join us as we debunk myths and unlock truths. Weight loss is beyond eating less and moving more. It's a complex science. Check out our recommendation in my text below, https://bit.ly/purelive12.